Hi there, welcome to Engine. In this video, we want to show you how to use the Engine board to create new orders and organize your creative projects. So let's get started. Here's your board. Everyone in your team can access it. Each column represents the status of your orders. New orders, in progress, in review, on hold, approved, and canceled. This gives you a quick overview of your orders. To see order details, simply click on the card. By adding collaborators, it's easy to share and get feedback. Just type your feedback here and save it. You can also manage your order status by hitting the Select Action button. You can revert your order as a draft, hold order, or approve order, and more. Now it's time to start a new order. Click on the Create New Order button. Let's have a look at the service types that are available. It's up to you to choose between print ready or graphic design services. Today, I need Spot UV on my business card. Fill the order details. You can add a due date on the right side of your screen. Give a title to your order to make sure that you can easily recognize it amongst all of your other orders. Include any technical requirements, and add an order brief. We recommend that you put as many details as possible in your brief. This will help our creative designers to better understand your expectations and deliver quicker results. Here, you can add any file that will help us understand your request. It could be an old template, images that inspire you, or some graphic elements that you would like to include in the final artwork. And then, publish your order. The order created appears as a new card. On each card, you can see the overview of your order details, including order title, order ID, service type, due date, queue time, the amount of time your order has been in this status, and work time, which is the time our graphic designers have already spent on this design. Now your new order has been created. It's time to manage your priorities. You can decide which order should be treated first with drag and drop. Just put the most urgent order at the top. Finally, all orders are searchable on the search bar and sorted by the newest order to help you manage when your list becomes crowded. See you on Engine.